Transform your garden into a captivating oasis of artistic beauty with these imaginative outdoor sculpture design ideas. Discover how to add a touch of elegance, whimsy, or intrigue to your outdoor space through carefully selected sculptures that harmonize with nature palette. Sculpture as focal point. Choose a striking sculpture as the centerpiece of your garden. A large, bold sculpture amidst lush greenery or vibrant bloom can become a conversation starter and a visual anchor for the entire space. Sculpture pathway. Create a charming pathway adorned with sculptures. Line your garden path with sculptures of various sizes and styles, turning a simple walk into an artistic journey. Water feature sculptures. Combine the soothing sounds of a water feature with the elegance of sculpture. Install sculptures near ponds, fountains, or even small cascading waterfalls to add an element of tranquility of your garden. Abstract art in nature. Embrace abstract Embrace abstract sculptures that mimic natural forms or create intriguing contrast. Organic shapes and abstract designs can add a touch of modernity and artistic flair to your garden. Wildlife sculptures. Bring the beauty of animal kingdom into your garden with wildlife sculptures. Choose sculptures of birds, butterflies, or other creatures that are native to your region to create a harmonious connection with the environment. Zen garden sculptures. Cultivate a sense of serenity with Zen inspired sculptures, stones, minimalist design, and sculptures that evoke calmness and can enhance the peaceful ambience of your garden. Sculpture in planters. Elevate your potted plants with sculptures integrated into the planters. Consider using sculpted runs, faces, or decorative elements to add an artistic touch to your container garden. Rustic and natural material. Option for sculptures crafted from natural materials like wood, stone, or driftwood for a rustic and earthy feel. These pieces can blend seamlessly into garden setting and create a harmonious atmosphere. Seasonal sculpture displays. Rotate sculptures based on the season. Display sculptures that reflect the changing colors and themes of each season, keeping your garden fresh and dynamic throughout the year. Interactive sculptures. Incorporate sculptures that invite interaction, such as wind sculptures, kinetic art, or sculptures with movable parts. These pieces add an element of playfulness and engagement of your garden. Garden art gallery. Turn your garden into an open air art gallery by showcasing a collection of sculptures. Encourage local artists to display their work, creating a dynamic and ever evolving garden experience. Sculpture nooks. Create intimate space within your garden by placing sculptures in secluded nooks or alcoves. These hidden gems can surprise and delight visitors as they explore your outdoor sanctuary. Upcycled or recycled sculptures. Consider environmentally friendly sculptures crafted from upcycled or recycled materials. These eco-conscious pieces not only add charm but also promote sustainability. Illuminated sculptures. Illuminate your garden with strategically placed sculptures equipped with lighting. After dark, your garden will transform into a magical wonderland, showcasing the sculptures in a whole new light. Personalized sculptures. Commission or create Personalized sculptures that hold special meaning of you and your family, whether it's a family crest, a commemorative piece, or a sculpture that reflects your interest and values. These outdoor sculpture design ideas offer a myriad of possibilities to infuse your garden with artistry and charm. Select the ones that resonate with your style and garden vision, and watch as your outdoor space is transformed into a living masterpiece.